If you are tired of delicate non-stick pans that scratch, or traditional stainless steel that makes food stick like glue, it is time to upgrade your kitchen game. Meet the ultimate kitchen workhorse, the 12-inch hybrid non-stick frying pan with lid. Take a close look at this gorgeous snowflake surface. This isn't just for aesthetics. This is a masterfully engineered fusion of durable stainless steel and a high-performing non-stick layer, crafted with precision laser etching. What does that mean for your daily cooking? You get the insane heat conduction of premium stainless steel, while the raised metal pattern shields the non-stick surface beneath it. Look at how effortlessly these ingredients slide right off. No tearing, no stubborn residue, just perfect food release every single time. Whether you are searing a thick steak, tossing a fresh fajita blend, or simmering a delicate sauce with the included lid, this pan handles it all beautifully. And the absolute best part? It is completely PFOA-free, fully induction compatible, and 100% dishwasher and oven safe. Cleanup takes literally seconds. Right now, this top-rated kitchen essential is having a massive limited time event for my followers. You can grab an exclusive 40% discount on your total order at checkout. All you have to do is click the special promo link in my bio or description, add the 12-inch pan to your cart, and enter the code W46PMHAY at checkout. Don't miss out on upgrading your culinary routine with 2016's favorite cookware. Click the link, apply code W46PMHAY, and feel the difference today.